Do you have somebody in your life who loves to cook? Here are my top 5 suggestions for electronic Christmas gifts. Number 1 is this KitchenAid mixer. I have the industrial version with the up-down instead of the tilted head. I use this for everything from mixing cake batter to whipping whipped cream and making gravy. I use it almost every single week. Number 2, Instant Pot. Instant Pot is the greatest single invention of our lifetime. I know that pressure cookers have existed long before the Instant Pot, but an electric Instant Pot that you can set down, forget, it will start and stop without you. We use this to make soup, and when the nights get away from us and we're not great at meal planning and we have to take meat out of the freezer frozen, you can cook a whole chicken from frozen in this guy in less than an hour, and it still tastes great. Same thing with a pot roast. You can cook a whole pot roast in under probably an hour and a half, depending on the weight, with potatoes and carrots in the pot with it. This thing is a lifesaver, a time saver. If you're somebody who has to eat, you should own an Instant Pot.
I know that there's a lot of confusion around the Instant Pot. People feel like they don't know how to use it. If anybody is interested in a series on Instant Pot recipes, let me know. I have dozens of them. There isn't anything I think I've ever made that I haven't also figured out how to make in an Instant Pot, including cake and scrambled eggs, and it's everything you can make in an Instant Pot.
Number 3, we have, this is the Ultra Lean. At the time that it was bought for us, this is the biggest air fryer they had out on the market. We have a family of 5, so this big old basket, we can fit all the nuggets we need, all the French fries we need. It makes a great steak, it makes great shrimp. It's super easy to use. This one has preset timers, so you can pick the chicken and it will cook your chicken perfect. Number 4, a slow cooker. I've had this Hamilton Beach slow cooker since I got married 13 years ago, and this thing, you can tell from all the staining and stuff on it that it gets used a lot. I've used this both in my home cooking and also when I have catered. It's just, a slow cooker is a staple in a kitchen for a reason. They've been a staple in kitchens for 50 years, 50 plus years probably. If you're going to cook, especially for more than one person, you should own a crock pot. Number 5, last but certainly not least, is a good meat thermometer. I have gone through many meat thermometers, including really expensive ones, and been disappointed because they break. I barbecue, so put them in the barbecue to test a piece of meat, and they get hot and they break immediately. But this Thermo Pro is awesome. The probe comes out, it turns on. This one has a light that you can turn on or off. You can also lock it. I'm not actually totally sure what that does, but close it up and it turns off. Again, I use this in my home, and I also use it for my catering.
All these things that I showed you, there will be links in the video description to these items or very similar ones. I think that's everything. Thanks for watching. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Please follow along. We got more cooking coming your way. December is gonna be chock full of my favorite sweets. Some of them are gonna be specifically Christmas. Some of them are just things that we all like, and I only make them this time of year. Please subscribe to my channel. There's so much more coming your way in the next few months. I can't wait. Merry Christmas.